One of the greatest features of our Sunseeker is the onboard generator. It allows you to power the RV even when you are not connected to campground electricity. This means you can run your air conditioner, heat, refrigerator, and other electrical appliances when you're off the grid. Step 1. Make sure the battery disconnect is turned on. The generator will not start if the battery switch is off. Step 2. On the driver's side of the RV, open the rear electrical compartment. You will find the RV's 30-amp power cord stored inside. Before starting the generator, unplug the power cord from its storage location and plug it into the generator outlet located inside that same compartment. This supplies the generator power to the entire RV. Step 3. Go inside the RV. The generator control panel is located next to the kitchen table. Step 4. Press and hold the on button until you hear the generator sound. Once it's running, it will sound similar to a portable generator you might use here. Step 5. Give the generator a minute or two to warm up. Once it's running, you'll have power throughout the RV. You can use the air conditioner, furnace, microwave, electrical outlets, lights, and keep the refrigerator and freezer running without plugging into campground power. When you're finished using the generator, simply press and hold the off button until the generator shuts down completely. Finally, don't forget to unplug the power cord from the generator outlet and reconnect it to its storage location before driving away or plugging into the campground shore.